If you want results like this, then you are one of the lucky few. This free training will show you how to make a side income promoting other people's products. It is a 5-day training with one of the best affiliate marketers, Ched Bartlett, and it's completely free. How to access the training. During the training, all participants and the trainer use a certain tool to make their own website, build an email list and automate their email marketing. Therefore, you will need access to such a tool. Step 1. You will have to join the free 14-day trail of Builderall in the description. Step 2. After joining the free trail, you will have full access to the affiliate marketing training. You can click the second link in the description and join immediately. And in no time you will see results such as these.